Hi, Miss Tammy.
Hi, Terry.
I was just about to show our friends at home one of the games that's listed in our Story Time to Go Pack Week 1. Would you like to help me?
I would love to.
So this is called the Crown and Jewel Grid Game. In order to play this game, you're going to need this sheet that's included in your pack. You'll also need a small pack of jewels, and chances are if you've already made your royal snip crown, you might have glued these on that. And that is okay. You don't have to use these in order to play this game. Today we're going to use these small colorful stones, but you could also use things like goldfish, Cheerios, ripped pieces of paper. You just want the objects to be able to fit inside the different squares. And why are we playing this game, Miss Tammy?
Oh, most of all, to have fun. Have fun with your child. Playing games is a wonderful way to learn how to take turns. And that is the beginning of sharing with young children, taking turns.
And then we're also going to be working on early math skills. And this one game in particular is working on one-to-one correspondence, which is the precursor to almost all early math skills. Children who don't master this will struggle, so we want to work on this as often as we can. Now, one-to-one correspondence means that as we are counting, we are touching each object as we say the numbers aloud. For example, the 3 stones in front of me, to do one-to-one correspondence, I would say 1, 2, 3, and I would count as I point to each object. Yeah. So this is another fancy math word that you might like to use is called a 10 frame. And if you would like, for older children, you can go to the prekinders.com page and you can print out larger grids all the way up to 30, and you can do even more advanced math skills, adding another dice, adding some addition, and maybe even multiplication as your children get older. There's lots of things that you can do with the 10 frame.
Our Jumpstart families have had fun with the grid games during the story times.
All right, so let's show you how to play. Okay. So we're going to take turns. Would you like to go first, Miss Tammy?
I would love to go first. So take the dice, have them roll it. 1. 1.
And simply cover up the crown with whatever object you decide to use as your counters. Oh, we only have 1 on there right now.
1.
Let's count and see how many we have left to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 squares are left. Let's see if I can get a big number.
Okay.
Oh, I did.
Big number.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to count them one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That's a lot.
Miss Tammy, I think we have more stones on than we have off.
So use those math words. More, less, how many,
yes.
So many things. And it's all giving them the foundation of math for before they go into school.
You know, I was thinking of something else, Miss Tammy. Our goal when we are using a dice is that eventually your child will be able to just say, oh, there's 1. Well, that's obviously an easy one, but they will be able to say 2 without actually having to touch the dots.
Without touching.
Do you want to talk about early children and how they use dice?
Sure. Sometimes if you've ever played games already at home with your child and you're using a dice, and a lot of times it's hard to keep it on the table. So you can make it into a movement game and have them toss the dice on the floor. So that way you're getting that extra movement, because we know a moving child is a learning child. So they can count them on the floor and then come back to the table. And sometimes that's easier for the younger set.
And just remember, grown-ups, the most important thing is to have fun and to play. Thanks for joining us.
A moving child is a learning child. Have a fun time.